Well, hello everyone, it's me Suri Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how you can install and use uTorrent Classic for free, that too safely. So, we're just going to visit the site. If you want this downloads link, it's going to be available in the description and first comment, or you can just follow the same steps which I did. Just search for uTorrent download, and then here search for uTorrent Classic and just download it. I'm just going to download the free option over here. After my download has been completed, I'm just going to click on this. Now we are just going to click on next for specific steps, but we are not just going to click on next for everything. I'm just going to agree to the terms and conditions, but make sure to decline all the advertisements such as Avast, or else those things are going to be installed with you. And in here, just make sure to disable this start uTorrent with Windows .zips. If you just leave it at default settings, your uTorrent is going to start up every time when Windows boots up, so it's going to reduce the speed of your system. Now let us wait for the download to finish, and after the download has been completed, the uTorrent is going to be loaded for us. I'm just going to launch the application on exit. I'm just going to click on finish. This is in use. I'm just going to close this. As we can see over here, we have successfully downloaded uTorrent Classic, and if we just click on any torrent, or you can just add any torrent over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was informative and helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you want to learn how to download torrents faster, then there is a specific video which I have uploaded in my channel. That video's link is also going to be available in the description and first comment. So please make sure to go look at it. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to see more updates like this. Once again, it's me Surya Prakash from Protect Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.